Oops, there we are. What's up? Whoop. I want to put my chat in the game view because I like talking with you guys. I keep forgetting about that. I'll do that one day, fuck. Guys, we have some Digivolutions. All right, so let's try Ikakumon. Let's see if this is Ikakumon. Come on, Digivolve 2. Let's see. Ikakumon, let's go. Ikakumon! Yeah! Oh, looks like a baby Ikakumon. We love him. Look, what a good boy. Look at the way he is with his cute little and his little. Oh, I love you so much. Now, I think this is who I think it is. Parrotmon! Digivolve 2. Let's go! Baron Wallerstramon! How? His attack is dumb uppercut. I think this is an okay team. Let's just see. We'll go with these guys for now. God,
much appreciated.
Cool. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been craving to play this game all weekend. Oh wait, it's Sunday, huh? Oh God! Oh, Gargomon scared the shit out of me! Look at him, guns for hands! Oh, he's doing backflips! Oh shit! Oh, hey, whoa, chill. God damn, whoa, not in the house. Gargomon, shit. Yo! All right. Chill. Okay, here we go. Once again, we're underground because that's...
So these are the sewers of a Digimon town, huh? Parrotmon and the others should be up ahead somewhere. I'm worried we'll get caught trespassing, but should we go?
Mm-hmm. We definitely should. Hey, Gargomon, can you carry me? Can you carry me? Guys, oh shit. Please. Oh! Let's go! Wormmon! Wormmon, Digivolve 2! Stingmon! Hell yes! Mr. Stingmon. Uppies. Yeah!
There.
Yes! Stingmon, take me away. Destroy him! Oh, it's Bearmon. What happened here? What happened here?
Who are you? No, never mind that now. Titans! There are Titans here!
Uh-oh.
Big Bro protected me from them. And then, the two of them ran up ahead chasing after the Titans.
Titans?
Titans.
If I remember correctly, Minervamon called that big Digimon in Shinjuku a Titan too.
Big Bro told me to run on home. But I'm going too. I'll show you the way. Please, help my Big Bro.
Dokugumon.
That one.
Let's go, boys. So this is the area that we played in the demo. Oh!
Preparations complete.
That actually wasn't strong at all. Let's see what Kurisarimon can do, huh?
I'm counting on you.
Let's go. Data Crusher.
Data Crusher!
That sounded like a spell. Oh! What had I done? What did I just do to it?
Yep.
Oh, he's flattened! Gargomon's actually really sick. Hold on, what was the... what did I just use? Data Crusher. Dark Physical Crystallization, that's what it does. That's cool as hell. Wait. Groundmon. Uppies. God damn, look at his back.
I'm sorry.
You don't want Gargomon on your team? I mean, I'll put him on the team. There's so many new characters. He can. He's. I mean, give me some time. It is my team. Oh!
Great.
Nice. Yeah.
You got it.
Hey, get that guy over there. Wait, there's a whole other side over there.
Good.
Dokugumon.
There. Ready to launch.
Let's see. Oh, I love my team. Exhaust flame.
Hope you're ready. Exhaust flame!
Oh, that's sick. Okay, so I didn't expect that because the only time I've ever heard a Growlmon was in Tamers. So I expected something like Beamon, exhaust flame! But instead we got an actual voice. Oh, let's see Gabumon now.
I'm counting on you.
Okay, the detailing on Gabumon looks so good. Blue Blaster!
Data crusher.
Go! I've always imagined Dokugumon as with a woman voice too, so that's funny. Oh, that was sick.
Venom blast.
That sounds like the original voice of Greymon. Can someone, Scorchin, look up the voice of Dokugumon in this and see if it's the voice of Greymon?
Hope you're ready. Exhaust flame!
Data crusher.
Aww, a good Kurosarimon. Alright, no, down. Stingmon. Oh, can I ride you? Oh, I guess not. Oh my god, holy shit. Oh, I'm too much for the door. Oh, we gotta go in. Dromojamon!
One. Ready to launch.
Let's just end them.
Take this.
I have it on speed, so skip through all that, sorry. Miss!
Hope you're ready. Exhaust flame!
Yeah.
Data crusher.
It's cute!
It's time. Buster. Yeah.
That mon listed? Dokugumon. D-O-K-U-G-U-mon. Oh, let's see the new Agumon. Let's see what he does. Red Reamer. Goodbye. He just crumbled. I hate that he pulls that shit out his ass. I hate that so much. That is the most unseemly thing you could have done. He didn't. They know that he didn't have to do that too. Oh my god! He just like. All right. Oh my god, that scared me. We got flanked by him.
Data crusher.
Haha, cute. Blue Blaster. All right, it's over.
Here I go.
He just disassembles. I like it.
Great.
Oh, great.
Wow.
Oh, Bearmon? You're with us? Come on. Woo! Great. Ah, it's an Otamamon!
Do it.
Get fucked. Just beating his ass. Oh, this must have been what Cyclomon felt like. New Digivolutions. Tokamon. Gamamon. Interesting. Oh, you're available to Digivolve into something. Should we see what this is, guys? Do you think? Yeah? Let's go. Ryudamon Digivolve 2! Colasmon, okay. Coelamon. You know. Kind of derpy. Yeah. He's based off of the, that dinosaur. Not entirely what I want. It's fine. It's fine. We're cool with it. We're cool with it. I won't be using it. Alright, let's keep going. Come on, Guamon. Let's go to the walk through this. You can't. Whoa!
There!
Cool ass attack.
Preparations complete.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's blast him. Let's blast him.
Oh!
I got a new cross art. Blicky! Oh my god. Dude, I love that gun, man. Freaking sick as hell. Just bop him. Ah, never mind. You bop him. Someone really bop him, please. There you go. Oh.
Heck yeah!
Oh, Scorpion, maybe look up who plays Metal Greymon in the 1999 series. Sneemon. And
That one.
and see if he's in Time Stranger at all. Dude, for anyone who's watching right now, Sneemon has my favorite line that I've heard so far in this. Whoa. That was sick. I guess you're not gonna hear it. Whoa.
Get ready! Shadow Tickle!
I thought it was Twin Signal.
Lightning Strike!
Yeah!
Yeah!
I'm sorry. Everyone.
Sorry. Who do you want me to look up? Who is the voice actor in 1999's Metal Greymon? Oh! Oh, the TARDIS. I don't think we need to go in. Not really. I just don't want to get into a fix with my partner collapses. Okay. Joseph Pilato. Is Joseph Pilato in, My weapons are these cool blades! What are yours? I love him. I love Gramon. He's the best. He passed away in 19? That actually breaks my heart. The courage to take on any opponent or my partner. A weapon hidden inside where no one can see is pretty darn cool. I like this Graumon. What the hell? I like your personality. Let's roll. Let's walk through this shit. No, we can't.
Wow.
Parrotmon.
Damn you, Titans!
You leave those kids alone.
Those aren't Titans, those are Ogremons.
Inori, no! What are you doing?
Yeah.
Look at them. They're obviously bullying kids weaker than them.
Oh my god.
More prey for us, eh? Thanks for showing up to be hunted.
I won't let you lay a finger on Inori.
No?
Huh? Who do you think you are, runt?
Don't pick on the weak, please.
I got no time to be listening to any lectures out of you.
You heard Inori. We won't let you run wild here.
That goes for me, too. I'll finish you all without breaking a sweat. And I'm not scared at all, okay? Let's go!
Oh! Alright. Boy, right. Is that a new move?
Hope you're ready.
How come it
Flame!
automatically started an auto fight? What is reverse mean? Switch skills? Compatibility's been reversed. I don't know what that means.
Thundercloud!
Ah! Damn! Bro! My boy! Look at him! No! Wizardmon! Can never catch a break.
I'm counting on you.
Come work! Oh no. We were doing fine.
Now, let's clean up this mess.
You! It's Merukimon!
Perfect! Now we can take out the lot of you at once.
Looks like you thugs have done a number on that little brother of mine right there. He may be a little bratty so-and-so, but he's my little bratty so-and-so, and I
Damn.
wouldn't trade him for anything.
Catching strays.
So, sorry in advance, but I don't see myself holding back here. Prepare yourselves!
Prepare for trouble.
My turn! Strike roll!
How is it
Ready
that
to launch.
Parrotmon is shaking with fear? Alright. We haven't done anything to you yet.
Launching cross art.
Alright. Get fucked. You don't like her shirt thing? Her little sports bra? Skirt thing. Looks like spaghetti wrapped around her knees. Hold on, I don't know what you're looking at. I need to see it.
Lightning strike!
Oh my. Stingmon! Gobblemon! Alright. Alright, that's enough.
Here I come.
Red Reno!
It didn't work. Oh!
I'll never be able to protect Inori if I let something like this beat me.
Oh.
Digimon! That night, under that starry sky, you said always, right? That you'd always be by my side? That's why I swore in my heart then that I wouldn't let myself get down in the dumps again. I'll get stronger so I can protect
Are we
you,
about to
Inori.
Digivolve?
Right here, by your side.
Oh.
Such power.
Could he really be from that egg after all?
No, he's just gonna punch. Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. That was also very, very anticlimactic. The music and everything, like, no more. Hit! That was kind of crazy. Yeah, yeah. Oh, special skill. Stun, beat, blow. Now we're just saying words, man. Let's try it, though. Bears beats Battlestar Galactica.
Here goes! Stun, beat, blow!
Ah. Alright, I gotta get stronger, because these attacks that they're hitting us with are way stronger than I expected. Agumon's defense is crazy, though. We gotta get rid of this guy. Get wrecked, son. Here we go. Let's try to rip in that again. Oh, finally!
Now you're in the flame!
Yep. My neck.
Here goes!
Punch him!
Stun, beat, blow!
Let's just auto.
My turn! Strike roll!
And done. Oh, nice! Parrotmon finished it off. I love when the main character of this part of the story gets the finishing blow.
There!
Did you see me? Did you see what I can do?
Unbelievable!
You did it.
How many times have I told you not to go down into the underground?
Well, why is it there in the first place then?
And that goes for you two as well.
You shut up! You can't tell us what to do!
Oh, hell
Absolutely
no!
hopeless.
Oh, I thought she was gonna say absolutely not
I'm
and go
just
get
glad
him.
You're safe, all of you.
That's insane.
I haven't exactly processed everything yet. But we've got a serious problem if the Titans have infiltrated Central Town. We've got to report this to Merukimon.
Let's
You
go see
coming,
Merukimon.
Egg Thief?
Yeah, but stop calling me egg thief. I assure you that I'm not an egg thief. Yeah, but tell us more about the Titans.
There are enemies, a real pain in the behind, I gotta say. I'll tell you more when I've got the time.
What? Who's Merukimon?
This town's leader, and a dependable one at that. We should go Merukimon's base is near the square.
Titans, huh? It seems Digimon are infighting among their own The Shinjuku Inferno we experienced was apparently also caused by a fight between Digimon. Would it be wrong to assume there's some sort of connection?
No.
I mean,
Rumble in the underground? Oh, we go. Stealthymon. All the soldiers who will be fighting alongside Lord Merukimon are gathered in the tavern. I'd say peace will be kept in this city forever. I'd say. All the soldiers. Let's go see Merukimon.
You there!
Oh, yes.
I told you that you may not pass unless you provide proof of your friendship with Lady Minervamon.
All right. That's Gohan. That's adult Gohan. Someone fact check that. Nightmon.
It is true. I am that proof.
Lady Minervamon, pardon my insolence. Please, come right through. Lord Merukimon has been very preoccupied of late with the security of this town. But my liege will be happy to see you, I am sure. Right this way.
But my liege will be happy to see you, I'm sure. Oh. Oh.
It has been quite a while, Minervamon. And who are those people? Are they human?
It's a long story. There's something else I need to report to you first. The Titans are in town. We ran into some in the sewers. These humans helped us fight them off for now. Were you aware of the Titan's presence?
Yes, I received a report just a short time ago. It seems the upcoming battle is truly unavoidable.
Not gonna lie.
We need to tell Junomon about this.
Junomon.
And one more thing. These
looks
people
so
are
cool.
foreigners from outside the digital world. But nevertheless, they helped me with the search for the egg of the Great Guardian, and even with the Titans, too. They've been good to me. I'd like to return them safely to their original world. So I wanted to ask if the gate could be opened for them. Can we use the comms in the radio tower?
About the network. I'm afraid it isn't operational at the moment.
Did the Titans do something to it?
Most likely, yes.
I think this was. Oh, I was just about to say where Garurumon.
Titans in the sewers. They've started evacuating on their own and are demanding that something be done. The town is in panic mode.
How did the information spread so quickly?
Why are you so chill?
I bet the Beamon brothers were responsible for that. I swear I've had it with those
Beamon
kids.
brothers.
Could you
Beamon,
please advise on a
bitch-ass
strategy to
baby
calm the
bird.
masses?
Yes, very well. Let us discuss it. The situation is worse than I imagined. Minervamon, do you think you can fix the radio tower?
Yes. I need to contact Junomon anyway, and we need her to get these folks back to their world. And your help too. You don't mind, do you?
Who's Junomon? The fun never ends, does it?
Thank you. If we can meet up with Junomon, I'm sure we can get you back to your original world. Now, let's hurry to the
Yeah.
Let me see if I got all this straight. We need the gate to get back to our world, and Junomon is in charge of this gate. But we can't contact Junomon because the radio tower isn't working.
Yeah.
So we're going there to try and fix it.
That sounds about right. Don't you think, Merukimon?
I would need to be that person because I'd be like, sorry, I
will
kind of
do
checked
something
out.
about the chaos in town. I will go to the radio tower as well, once the panic has been quelled. Thank you, Minervamon and valued guests. I am in your debt.
Why is he talking
Well,
like that?
without further ado, let's head to that radio tower.
Also, both of them are talking kind of weird. I would be like Inori in this situation, be like, so just to be clear, because I checked out, I'm sorry. What's happening?
Agent, remember what happened during the Shinjuku? The thing that appeared in the sky. It certainly did look like a gate, didn't it? We might be able to get some important...
We might be able to get some, yeah. Click. Dude, Merukimon looks freaking sick. Are you kidding me? Dude, all right, the detail and the design. Oh, look at Lobomon. They did it this time, guys. They freaking did it this time. Head for the central town. Let's go. God damn. Go down the stairs, down the stairs. Pegasusmon. Oh, I've been given word about you. I'll take you to the section that leads to Central Tower. Try searching for a Digimon in the vicinity that can offer assistance. Oh! I didn't realize we were gonna fly! It seems the Titans have already entered the area up ahead. Proceed to Central Tower with caution. It's gonna be dangerous, Inori. Nonsense! I'm going with you. I made a promise, right? Yeah. Thank you. Is this supposed to be on me? All right, team. What do you want to say? Don't you think we've become a good team lately? Yeah, it's fine. All right, cool. Do you have anything to say? No? Tanking on someone stronger than me gets me fired up. That's good. That's great. Anyone else have anything to say? Oh, treasure chest. Great. All right, we go up. I want to explore voice act. Dude, hell yeah! Is there... It's quiet. There doesn't seem to be any rowdy Digimon up here. Please come back down. What in the Mount Doom?
What's with that cloud? It wasn't there before.
Death
Do you
Mountain
suppose
ass.
it's more of the Titan's handiwork?
I'd bet on it. Let's hurry.
Agent, I'd say this is a good time to gather more intel. Many of the anomalies we've reported up to now resemble unexplained disappearances. It's called getting spirited away. The man who adopted you, for example, Dr. YuKi, suddenly vanished from this world without a trace.
Okay. We have to talk about the poor strays that my character gets. Every time I'm on the phone with this damn operator, she goes, oh, the man who adopted you, you know, Dr. YuKi, the one who's dead or missing, after he adopted you because, you know, your family didn't want you, so you got adopted. Every time we're on the phone with her, she has to say exactly this. Exactly this. The shade that she... The man who adopted you, for example, Dr. YuKi, you could have just... We get it. It's Dr. YuKi. You don't have to keep rubbing in that I don't have parents. Shit.
The existence of the digital world may provide a few answers regarding such phenomena. Continue to closely observe that world.
What is it? Who is it? Parrotmon falling down like that. What the heck is going on up there? I love that. What's up, gang? Oh, Parrotmon fell. Like, for real. Oh, Big Momimon! What's up? Just asking. But if I were gone, would you be sad? The insecurity in my team, in my Digimon, is absolutely frustrating. Ow, ow, ouch! I was working up in the tower when some titan suddenly appeared and knocked me down off the tower. I really hope my friends are okay. I really hope my friends are okay up there. Wonder what kind of voice he would have. I really hope. You folks shouldn't run while you still have the chance. Something really dangerous is going on in that tower. What kind of work do you do in the tower? Here to investigate the tower. One dangerous mission after another. Can't I catch a break? None of those were helpful for what he just said. What kind of work do you do here? Our job is to serve as gears for a central tower. You can't reach the top without us. If you're headed up to the top, look for my friends and get their help. All right, well, move aside then. I love how he says you shouldn't go up there. Good luck if you do. Gathering storm clouds. Oh God. Ouch. Ow, I was attacked by a titan and now I can't move. Hey, buddy. You think you could carry me to that mechanism over there? Yeah, let's do it. All right, I got you, buddy. Yeah, you kind of heavy for a gear. Here you go. I'll just stick you in here. Yep. Thanks for lugging me all the way here. Hold on a tick. Okay, what's these augment chips? Carry Parrotmon. Whoa! Gotcha. Now if I could just move a little faster. Boy. Oh, there's a Waspmon down there. Gotta stick there, yeah. Thanks for lugging me. Yeah! I got a headache. Whoa!
Good.
Damn! Big hits. Steady. Steady.
There!
Kurosarimon.
You got it.
Dude, I love that you can put the map like this. Oh, buddy! Free! I'm free! That's funny. there's a, yeah. Oh, dude, I love how smooth all of these actions are. Oh, finally we're at the top. All right, gang. Lightning seems to be drawn to Digimon with mechanical bodies. You may be able to use that to your advantage during battle. Parrotmon! Okay, here we go.
Is this the communication device?
It doesn't seem to be out of order.
Well, I better beat it then.
I bet that means that cloud is interfering with reception.
Holy. Oh, that was... I'm not gonna lie, that was a tough entrance. That went hard. That was freaking hard, dude. God. Oh, fuck. I gotta kill this thing. This is crazy. God damn. All right. Red Reamer, Red Reamer. Ah. Oh, he's electric. None of that's gonna work.
You're ready! I take strike!
Oh, no. We gotta switch you. Kurosarimon! What? Oh. Oh! Oh. Okay, that was confusing. Just keep spamming Red Reamer. He's a pain in the ass? Damn it. He heals himself with electric? Ah. Multiple times.
Parrotmon's power is increasing?
I've never looked at Parrotmon like this before. He looks so tough, man.
How? Does that mean they get stronger during battle?
All right. We gotta, oh, let's try Data Crusher. Damn. Nice, nice. Yeah, red.
Here I go. Red Reamer.
Good resistance. Oh!
Parrotmon seems to recover whenever they're struck by lightning. There
Has to be some way to stop this. Is there some way to stop it? How do we stop it? Okay. Ground, fire. Oh, that's right. Oh, it's data. Vaccine, data, virus. Okay, so he's weak against... Who am I? I'm free, okay. Wizardmon. Okay, let's go, Wizardmon. Yes! Can he get paralyzed? Damn.
My turn. Strike roll.
Whoa! All right, we need some heals. Agumon, you're the tank. You are the tank. Damn it!
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. Foul Titan. I will not allow you to do as you please. Not as long as I still draw breath.
This is crazy, because this is a very famous voice actor, but I've not been impressed with a lot of his work.
This city is my pride and joy.
Well, I mean, it's the direction. He's great.
Any deed that would wreak havoc upon its fair streets would be the same as trampling upon my very soul.
Okay.
I will chase you to the very ends of the earth, using my fleetness of foot, the wind personified.
Oh.
You best not blink. The moment you do, you will find yourself knocked to the ground. Come, Minervamon and dear guests, the battle begins.
Dear guests. Let's freaking go!
Bear witness. Frozen fists.
It wasn't all that, though. Oh, shit. He's charging.
Has the lightning stopped? What's going? There's a lot of power building up in the feathers on their head. Let's focus our attacks on those feathers.
Feathers. Not really doing much, is it? Bro, it's not doing much at all. Oh.
Bear witness.
Oh, nice. Please, please.
We couldn't stop them. Okay.
Yeah, guard up.
All right.
Guard up.
Ready to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood. Very well.
Mjolnir, thunder! Oh no! No! Oh my god, what the fuck? Don't worry, I've got something for this.
Are you okay?
It's not funny, but okay. Okay, let's go.
Bear witness. Frozen fists.
Nice, nice. Oh, dude. Oh, he's freaking cooked. Oh, I'm freaking cooked. Wait. Okay. No, we're okay. We can do. Dude, I feel like. Oh. Yeah. I ain't even worried about it. Let's go. Let's go. One more hit. One more hit. No. Oh, cooked. Let's. Oh, yeah. Goodbye.
I like it.
I like it. Dude, I can't. Bro. Oh. Yes. Ending the boss battle with I like it. Nice. Oh, that was fine. It wasn't even that bad.
We can't hear you. This is Central Town. Do you copy? Damn it, did we get cut off? What's happening at Junomon's temple? This is Minervamon. Do you copy? Report the temple status.
The Titans must have invaded more areas than we thought.
Is this related to the destruction of the world?
I'm not certain, but the situation seems much worse than I imagined. We have been enemies for years now, but this is the first time the Titans have launched an attack on this scale. Never in my wildest dreams would I have imagined them attack. I must reassess for now. Come to my hall tomorrow, and we will speak about what is to come. We will prepare a room for you. Please rest.
I like that Merukimon's eyes don't exist. What? Have I woken up in a bar in Bali?
Merukimon is currently trying to get the situation under control.
No. Weird way to leave.
Now that I'm here, I know how you felt back in our world. You do? The Digimon around here just keep staring. It makes me feel like I'm the only human around. All alone, you know?
My fucking character's like, okay.
Feeling something like this must have been heartbreaking for you.
Oh, okay.
Inori.
And what about me? You ungrateful bitch.
I'm not the only one. You're human too, you say. Whoops. I did it again, didn't I? I guess that means I don't see you as just an ordinary human, Agent. How do I put it? In my head, you're like...
If she says superhero.
the protagonist of that anime I used to watch. Back then, that character was my hero.
Well, I am the hero type. Let's sleep. Bro.
I appreciate you looking out for me, Agent. After everything that's happened, I'm totally wiped out.
I'm
Take
totally
the bed in the
wiped
back,
out.
Inori.
Hey, this is just like the one in my room. I want this one. Well, let's call it a day.
Yep. Okay. All right, we gotta stop there. We gotta stop there. I will
protect Inori. I'm gonna get her back home safe and sound, no matter what.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Guys, what, you know what? I'm proud of ourselves. We got through that. Kind of scared me with the Parrotmon thing, but bro, come on.
Inori.
I couldn't really sleep.
I'm just so worried about whether we'll even make it home.
My dad and Hiroko, they must be so worried. But I guess it doesn't help to think about it.
There's more cutscenes in this
For
than
now,
Infinity
let's just
Castle
go
has
see
flashbacks.
Merukimon.
So, I strongly suspect that it's tied to the Shinjuku Inferno, since that too was caused by inter-Digimon conflict. Perhaps investigating this infighting will bring us closer to the truth.
Literally, everything I've been doing has been for that. Of course it is.
I'm sorry, but I'll have to ask you to hurry. The world on this end is running out of time.
Please. Put enough hairspray in my bandana to keep it this way. It needs to set. All right, we're saving. Oh, we already saved. Well, guys, that was so much fun. Dude, it gets so much better. No, I thought that was great. I love cutscenes. I do like cutscenes. That was really fun. I was concerned about the Parrotmon. I thought it was gonna be scary or like challenging, but it was fine. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out for this short stream. Everyone have a good night. I will see you next time. What is this? All right, I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.